I'm lying in the back of my daddy's old pickup truck, looking up in the sky at the stars. All I see is you, yeah. And I find myself in my room, sitting here with the blues, 'cause all I want is you, yeah. Oh, you're like a bottle of wine. You get better with time. All I wanna do is lie under you. Oh, you're like a ray of sunshine in the noontime. All I wanna do is lie under you. And time stands still whenever you need me, yeah. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't think when you're not around me, yeah. My mom always told me you can't blame a man for loving you and wanting you like this.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that a cappella version of Lie to You by Keke Wyatt. Be sure to check out the original song. I decided to do my own harmonies for this video. I really love the song. It's really pretty, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to tune in for the next singing video. I know it's been a while, but I'm trying to get those out there. And be sure to share this video with your friends, spread it around, follow me on all my social medias, and yeah. Stay tuned. Next video. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm done.